Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I have disappeared for a long time, but I'm back, and this time I'm back with a lot of energy to share with you the online jobs, and I'm sure you're going to get something. Okay, so be patient, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because this time around I'm going to be posting a lot of opportunities that I come across. Okay, so today I don't want to waste any time. I want to jump you to one of the opportunities that I found, and I have seen a lot of people are talking about it. Okay, so it is called Mercor AI jobs. Maybe you have heard about it, but today I want to pass you through it. Okay, so this is the name, Mercor AI jobs. Are you together? So let me just scroll down. You can see this is the link to that website. Okay, so what does Mercor do? So Mercor, it's the same as remote task. Your work here is to train the AI in the knowledge that you are well familiar with, okay? With the knowledge that you possess. If you are an engineer, you can go and apply for those tasks that involve engineering things. If you are a teacher, you can go and apply for those things that concern teaching. If you know things about programming, coding, then there are still jobs for you, okay? So this is a site is almost the same as remote task, because it involves training of the AI. So I'm not going to waste your time, guys. I want to pass you through it. So you can see you can be able to find remote jobs worldwide. So make sure actually you are in this link, okay? So you can find remote jobs worldwide. Yeah, you can start your application over here. You can find a job. You can also join their team, okay? So for joining their team, that means you're going to work on site, okay? You're not going to work remote, okay? So even if I open here, let me just open for a moment, guys, so that you can be able to see. Let's give it some time, guys. So you can see when I've clicked join our team, you can see the work that they have. These are the full-time jobs which you're supposed to work on site. On site means you are supposed to do on the company, okay? You're supposed to go there and work there, okay? So these ones you cannot be able to do them remotely. Though they seem to be good jobs. You can see they need software engineer in India, software engineer backend. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of opportunities here. So you can join their team if you like. Are you together? But for most of us, we want to work remotely. So I'm going to go back. So I am going to find remote jobs. So we are going to find a job, okay? Like me personally, I am a teacher. So I'm supposed to find teaching roles, or I won't limit myself. I can even find another role when I know I have the skills to do that part, okay? So let me just open it, find remote jobs worldwide. We see which opportunities they have. So this is how Mercor looks like. Actually, I haven't logged in. You can see I haven't logged in. So this is how it looks. It's like the dashboard, something like that. And you can see they have a lot of listed opportunities over here. You can see they want an English language audio model trainer. So you're going to train the AI on English. You're going to train it English language. Are you together? And as you can see here, they are paying $20 per hour, which is a good pay, especially for most people who come from those countries that are not much developed. Okay, so it's a good pay. Okay, and over here you can see the number of people who have been hired this month. This month we are on November, so this is the amount of people, the number of people who have been hired this month. Okay, and you can apply. So if you want to apply, you're going to just to press over here. Are you together? And we are on trending. So these are the jobs that are trending. Are you together? So you can come here, click and see the newest jobs. You can click here to see which are those which are paying the most, which are paying a lot of money. Are you together? So let me just scroll down and you see the type of jobs that they have. They need photography experts. Let me go. If you are familiar with chemistry, you can apply over this one. They also need a generalist data annotation expert. You can try that one. If you have you are an expert in things to deal with medicine or medical, then you can try this one. And as you can see, actually it has a lot of tabs. Are you together? A lot of pages, I mean. So if I can click page number 2, you can see the jobs are still there. Like here, they need biology, somebody who has a PhD in biology. Okay, machine learning engineer. So you try and see if you can be able to find something that suits you. Are you together? Something that suits you. So let me go to another page. Let me to go another page. And then you can also search over here. Are you together? You can just come over here above and search. Like if you want to be a transcriptionist. Let me see. I don't think this transcriptionist. Data labeling. Let me see if there is. Yes, you can see there's a work of data labeling expert. You can try that. Also, you can see they need an AI economics tutor full-time. Are you together? Okay. And let me just delete that one. So there are a lot of jobs over here. So let me just do an example of us applying, trying to apply. Okay. So let me see. Let us assume we need this one, video prompting expert. Are you together? So I'm going to click over here, apply, and you can see the number of those. Oh, no, that is for the previous one that I've showed you. So you can see this task of video prompting. It pays $40 per hour, which is a very good pay actually. And actually, it depends with the country where you're coming from. Like me, in my country, this is a lot of money. Okay, some people cannot even be able to, even those, there are some people who are employed but they cannot even be able to afford half this pay. Are you together? So it's a good pay for some people. So I'm going to scroll down. So you can see the overview of the role. Yeah, Mercor is partnering with ideal qualification. Okay, more details, pay and legal status. You can see those things, and then you can see the screening process for them to accept you. What you are supposed to do, you'll need to complete a short assessment, which is going to take like 30 to 50 minutes. Are you together? And then, as you can see here, let me just highlight. They are saying they are accepting applicants from these countries. Okay, USA, UK, Canada. So this means if you are from another country, chances are they won't accept you. So you're supposed to go and find those remote opportunities that are specifically tailored for your country. Are you together? Or which they allow your country. Okay, so this one is for those people who are in US, UK, or Canada. They can try this opportunity and see if it's going to work for them. Are you together? And there you can see a short history about Mercor. So you can see it is based on Francisco, and it specializes in recruiting experts for top AI labs. Okay, you can see the investors. Are you together? And then they also pay. They claim that they pay $250 by referring. So this one I haven't confirmed, so I won't tell you that whether what they are saying is true or false. Are you together? It's up to you to go and try and see if it is true. Are you together? So let me just go down. You can also see this video. Are you together? So you can go to start application. So here you are going to insert your name. Like me, I'm called Paul. So my email is over there. And then I'm going to change my country. If I'm from Algeria, I'm going to use Algeria, and then insert my number here. And then if you have a LinkedIn URL, you're going to paste it over there. Are you together? If you don't have, you can say I don't have a LinkedIn. Okay, and then this button is going, this part is going to disappear like that. So you're going to start your application. Let me just use an example. Let me just use a number that as an example, just to show you guys. So no, it's going to ask me a lot of things. You need to be logged in to continue. So I'm supposed to create an account. I haven't created an account. I'm going to try and create an account, but I just saw this opportunity, and I saw it's best I share with you guys. I'm not going to keep anything. Are you together? So some people will ask me, is Mercor AI legit? Let us confirm. So I just write here in Google, is Mercor AI, Mercor AI legit. This one. Let me just search. So Mercor AI is a legitimate company, as you can see, and even in Reddit, because I'm actually I'm a fan of Reddit. You can see somebody saying Mercor, yes, Mercor is a legitimate company. Even if I open it, you can see Mercor is a legitimate company. You can see, you can go and pass through these comments and see what people are saying. Are you together? So do your research and see if you can be able to get something from this site. I know this is I actually am returning. I've been lost for a while, but I'm going to share with you good opportunities. Please stay updated by subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell. So every day will be a new day of new opportunities, guys. So I'm going to open your eyes. The only favor that you can do to me is for you to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss. Okay, guys? So go and try this Mercor AI jobs. With them, I'm going to show you how you're going to write your resume to apply for these jobs, and I'm sure you're going to get one. Okay, so guys, till next time, bye.